Hello, my name is Sarah. I'm the features writer on Country Living, and I wanted to speak to you today about the joys of sowing and growing things. So it's a relatively newfound joy for me. I probably only started growing things from seed a few months ago, but wow, it's been a total game changer for my mental health. I started the year feeling quite frazzled, feeling quite anxious about the state of the world, spending way too much time staring at a screen. And I was just craving sort of staring at some soil instead, and so that's what I did. I bought loads of seeds, peas, beans, broccoli, tomatoes, pumpkins, you name it, I'm probably growing it. And every morning I walk into my kitchen and I have a little look at what's come up overnight, and it's really joy-inducing. And I should say I don't have that much space. I live in a flat and I've got a balcony, but everything's being grown in my windowsill at the moment. So urbanites, even if you don't have that much space, there's always something that you can do, even if it's just a little herb box, and it could be really beneficial to your mental health. So highly recommend giving it a go, and happy gardening. So this is my balcony, this is the view. You can see the Shard in the distance beyond that tree, and then Canary Wharf is on the other side. If you can hear lots of traffic, it's because there's a road just there, but we're still managing to grow lots of lovely things like these peas here, which I'm excited about. We've got lilies, we've got gooseberry bush, we've got a raspberry plant which I bought for £1, so I'm chuffed with that. Roses, we've got herbs, we've got sage, thyme. This is Swiss chard coming through here. More roses, tomatoes. What are these? Sweet peas, lots of sweet peas. I love sweet peas. What's that? A rhubarb, losing my words. We've got courgettes, and then over the fence we've got some potatoes, some kale, some purple sprouting, spinach, rocket, and there's our compost bin as well where we put all of our veg peelings and food waste. So yeah, very urban location, but still lots of green loveliness going on. So I'm going to give you a quick whistle-stop tour of what's on my windowsill. So I've got basil, sweet peas, which really need planting out. I've got tomatoes, I've got a few of those. I've got sprouts, which I'm hoping to grow for Christmas. Here, they haven't come through yet, but I've got loofah seeds. I'm hoping to grow my own loofah sponges, stay tuned. Sunflowers, I've got more tomatoes here. This money plant I took from as a cutting from a friend's money plant, so fingers crossed it sort of takes root. I've got mint, they've just had a water, hence the wetness on the window. And I've got French beans and runner beans and peas in here.